Hello everyone, Matt back with you, another channel. We're going to go through another case that I have full of loose Hot Wheel cars. This will be a third one. I've done two already. I forget what the first one was, a couple of videos back. The second one I showed you was nothing but all trucks. This one's a mixture of cars and all that stuff, so we're going to get into it. I'm going to get the camera turned around and we will get into the video. Okay, so I have got the hammer turned around. Here's our case. Of course, you see I have a Chevy sticker on the front of it. A Chevy sticker of a pinup girl. Don't judge me. So we're going to get this one opened up. And here we go. There, and that's opened. Of course, the first three cars up here are all 70 Dodge Hemi Challengers. Got this red one here. Really nice. And we got this orange one. I like the orange one. Of course, the orange and black. Don't have any of these on rubber tires. And we got this burnt orange one up here with the gray. I like it with the gray and the burnt orange. That looks really, really good together. Then we got this 55 Vet right here. And the blue and the white tampos. Really nice looking car. And it's from around 2012, 2013-ish. Happy to have that. And then we got this Shelby Cobra with the opening hood on it. Really cool. Definitely like the lace wheels on here. Really nice. It's actually a Chevy Cobra 427. If memory serves correctly enough. And then we got this Ultra Hots, which you can only get these ones at Target, I do believe. But we got this 71 AMC Javelin. Really nice looking car. Try not to spend too much time on all this. We got this 70 GTO in orange, convertible one at that. Really nice, really cool. Then we got a TV series Batmobile. Really cool. Did not drive it. Really cool looking car. Got the parachutes on here, so really nice. And then we got the Ford Bronco Race here. I don't know why I called it race, but it says R. I guess this would be a race version of it then. That might be why I said that. We got the spare tire on the back. Nice looking car. It's a newer one. Not all the cars are in these cases are new or old. This got mixed together where I had an opening spot I put the car in. So some of these cars you might have seen in recent videos and some you might not have. Like this Lincoln here. It's a 64 Lincoln Continental. It is a matchbox. Really nice. Happy to have it in loose form as in the package as well. And then we got this Auto World 69 Chevy Kingswood Estate. And I believe the hood opens on this car. If memory serves correctly enough. There we go. Of course, I say I'm not going to go do a whole lot. So you detailed engine in there. So really nice. Put those back in there now. Lincoln, of course, you can see I had the bigger cars together, so they fit well. And we got this 69 Corvette. Well, I know it's a Corvette. I mean, it's 65 Corvette. So, happy to have it. It's a convertible version. I don't know why. Really nice looking car. And then we got a couple Dodge Rampages right here. The black one with the little three-wheeler in the back. Red one. Basically same Tampa way. This one's red, one's black. And the tampos are pretty much the same on these vehicles. So really happy to have both of those. And we'll get back in there. It does have a little like trailer hitch on the back of it. I don't know how well Hot Wheels don't really. I don't know if that would pull a trailer or not. And then we got this 55 Chevy Bel Air. I believe it's a Chevy Bel Air. We're just going to call it a 57 Chevy. So there we go. 57 Chevy. I don't know why I call it a 55. They look body styles look very similar. That might be why. And then we got this one right here. I believe it is a 53 Chevy. Custom 53 Chevy. It's got the see-through hood on here. Really nice. Flames. I know there's a case out there that's got this as a treasure hunt from maybe last year, I believe. I've not ever found it. And we got a bone shaker in red here. It's a closed top version bone shaker. And we got a Chevy 2, which became, it's a 63 Chevy 2, which became a Nova later on in its production run. Then we got a Chevelle wagon. It's a 70 Chevelle wagon at that. It's the year, when I look it up, it says, even on the bottom there. Happy to have that one. And we got this newer Challenger here. Is a 15 Dodge Challenger. And this yellow. Really nice. Good looking car. And we got, this is I believe a Johnny Lightning as well. Let's see. This might be the 55 I'm thinking of, so I can't really. I'm going to go with this being a 55 Bel Air, so happy to have that one in the collection there. And then we got these, this 18 Camaro SS in orange. And then we got, wow, I forget what this one was. This one was no, it's a fantasy model. It's also a treasure hunt. I did show in my treasure hunt videos, in the package and loose, of course. This one is, I think this is Fangula. I think that's what this one was. Yeah, Fangula. With the red tires there. Then we got a Chevy Nomad here. Yep, Chevy Nomad. That's this side. Flip this back a little bit. Let's fix that up there. And we'll flip to the other side here. So we got to do the other side here. We'll pop this one open here. Let's clean it back. There we go. We got another Camaro here. It's a 2017 Camaro ZL1 in red. Really nice looking car. No taillights on here or headlights, but really nice looking car. Then we got a 67 Pontiac Firebird with no hood. This one was, it's a custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. This one came out around 2018. It's a Z-Mac version car. I don't think it was a Z-Mac, but it's a plain car. And then we got this Chevy Nova here. This one is a Johnny Lightning Chevy Nova. The hood opens on it. Really nice car. And then we got this Nissan 2017 Nissan GTR R35 in this burnt orange color. I'm calling it burnt orange because that's what it reminds me of. Got the taillights back there. I think that's part of the windshield. The headlights are part of the windshield. I'm not really sure. If anybody knows, let me know in the comment. But that's what I think that is. Really nice looking car. Then we got this Nissan Skyline here. It's a 71 Nissan Skyline, I believe. When I look up the years on the cars. And then we got the Ice Charger here. Fast and Furious screen used cars. Really nice car. Of course, we got a couple 17 Ford GT40s. Blue and yellow one. Really nice. Of course, we got an Auto World Ford GT40 right here. This one is I know it's a 60s. This is what you would see them race at Le Mans back in the 60s. It's even got a lot of the colorway from back there. This is what they would refer to this as a golf colorway, but they did have this painted up that way as well, but without that. Then we got a tuned Porsche here. Yeah, it's a tuned Porsche 911 Turbo 3.9. Really cute little car. Really neat. And then we got a Pierce fire truck here. Out of the Matchbox anniversary set, the 70th anniversary set for Matchbox. I said that down there right now. Then we got a 2000. I'm going to say this is about a 2010 Pro Stock Chevy Camaro here. Copyright says 2010, so somewhere right within there, I would say. It is a 2010 Pro Stock Camaro anyway, so. In that purple color, really neat looking. We got another Camaro here. I believe this one was out of the mystery packages. This is a 2013 Copo Camaro in this green. Got the thinner tires on the front of this one. We got another Camaro here. I believe this one is a Camaro